It's nothing like being prepared, is it? Which way do you think we should go? Right? Left? We're in Koh Phi Phi at the moment, as you can see. Island life. Woo.
The island boy.
Have what? Rice at Burger King. Oh my god. I mean, where is the Burger King? Oh look. There's the veggie burgers. Yeah, we took a couple of days off because, well, I say a couple of days, it was only one day. Sawadee-ka. Yeah, we took a day off yesterday because we got a little bit drunk the night before. Wait, what are you doing?
I don't want to get sand.
Don't kill.
Loud noises!
So we just spent the day by the pool, chilling and dozing.
And not tanning because it was cloudy.
And not tanning because it was cloudy. And we've got our first day now where it looks promising with the sun since we've been in Thailand, so we're going to make the most of it today. And it's Jessie's birthday today.
Oh, you
She is 22 today.
Yeah, man.
I like the fact that they've got like a boat in the middle of the streets here. Look. Crazy. Oh, just stood in a puddle. That serves me right for not looking where I'm stepping, doesn't it? Oh, foot in a puddle. At least I've got another foot anyway. Yeah, so we're just taking a half-hour walk up to a viewpoint. It's at the top of the mountains here. Are you taking us the wrong way? You're always taking us the wrong way, aren't you? For God's sake. Just put my foot in a puddle and now you're taking us the wrong way. I want to walk as little as possible on this wet foot. Yeah, so we're going up to this viewpoint up here to take some photographs this morning, hopefully. Get my drone up as well, without anyone seeing, because we're naughty. Aren't we, babe? We're naughty.
No.
No, I don't know what you mean. I know what you're talking about. Bloody hot though, isn't it, this morning? As you can see, there's quite a bit of work going on here. Not 100% sure what's going on, but I'm assuming it's since the tsunami, maybe? Unless there's just constantly work going on, which could be the case. Get excited about your longboat. We booked a longboat for this afternoon. It's a sunset one, and what was the other thing you've got to do with it?
Plankton.
Planktons.
And my bay.
We're going to swing with them. Swing?
We're going to swing with
We're not going to swing with planktons, because I'm just not that kind of guy. And hopefully see a sunset. I mean, the sun's out, so that's promising. Although there has been thunderstorms. It was said yesterday, and they never happened. So who knows? Fingers crossed. I suppose it's better than steps, isn't it? I don't know. What would you prefer, steps or this huge hill? Yeah? Won't be saying that when we get to the top, will you? I was not expecting that. Sort of just in the middle of the island. Not even in the middle, is it? Crazy. You think you've got electrical problems at home? Think again. Shall we run? I'm not running. Chickens! Not sure whose house that is, but it's definitely not fit for human consumption. As you can see, the humidity is strong right now. Viewpoint. Why the viewpoint now on the hottest day that we've had? How many metres is left?
800.
800. 800 of vertical metres at about the same in normal meters. Drink. Did you bring a flannel with you? No!
Hey!
No! Drop the water. Where's the lid gone? That's over there. You wet yourself?
No.
2 fucking thousand meters. Are you sure about that? How are you finding the island life then so far?
It's hot.
It's what?
It's hot.
It's hot. It's fucking hot. It's hotter than Satan's bottom. It's hotter than the Vindaloo's bomb. Whose fault's it going to be then if it's rubbish for you?
Pee-pees.
Pee-pees. I can't blame an island.
Can blame an island.
No. Someone's got to take ownership and deal with their fucking issues.
Yeah, but it was my idea, that means it's my fault.
Is it your idea?
Yeah. Let's go for the viewpoint, it'll be pretty, she said.
Fucking pretty. Better be fucking pretty. Let's say.
If you feed the monkeys, you will change its behaviour. The monkey will not search any food from the wild. It will always wait for the food from you. And if you don't offer to feed it, maybe the monkey will attack you.
Attacked me? It will attack me. What happens if the monkey attacks me? I don't want to be attacked by a monkey. I've got enough to deal with in my life. Yeah, it's like climbing up this mountain. I think they've left 2 zeros off that 8. Do you think there's a lift on the way down? It carries on going up. Downhill. Yes. Tell you what, if we don't go home skinnier than what we came, we are eating the wrong foods. Or drinking too much alcohol. Never too much alcohol, especially on holiday. Oh, look at a butterfly. That's a pretty one. That's a very pretty one. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that is a beautiful butterfly. Millipede. Is it a millipede or a centipede?
That's a millipede.
Millipede, yeah. Centipedes are bigger, aren't they? They're so cool. There's some big old ants down there as well. So to get those in your pants. I kind of want to see a monkey, and I kind of don't. Because the sign told me they might attack me.
Only if you feed them.
Oh. What if we don't feed them and they get angry that we haven't fed them?
That's what they're saying.
Huh?
They push them to feed the monkeys, because then they get angry.
But what if someone's fed this particular monkey? It might attack me.
I feel like we should be over there.
I feel like we should be over there too. I was kind of, I was checking out the bee because it was huge. And then the thought crossed my mind that, well, that's okay. They won't sting me. Because they won't lose their stinger. They don't like to lose their stings, do they? Because it kills them. And I thought, hang on, maybe that's just the English ones. And then I ran away like a little girl. Swadikam. There's a viewpoint this way. Viewpoint, thank you. Thank God someone's confirmed. Is it here, babe? It's not there, is it? What are you doing? This says no entry, dangerous. So it's not that way. I've got very, very sweaty bottom crack. Not wearing pants either.
I'm not going to the wrong viewpoint, but I definitely didn't see a sign from viewpoint 2.
No.
Well,
For sure.
I did, way back there.
Maybe there was a viewpoint and it's just overgrown with trees and...
Yeah, but there's a big sign saying viewpoint. Above the hotels.
There is, yeah.
I should walk past it.
To be fair, it did look quite far away, so... pardon me.
The sea.
Oh my God.
I think we made it.
We found a sign that actually points towards the sea. This could be it, babe. I think this is it. Incredible. what was your opinion of the viewpoint?
It was beautiful.
Stunning, right?
It was worth the walk.
It was definitely
even
worth
though we
it.
went the wrong way.
And we almost got attacked by monkeys. No, I didn't. Ah. Watch where I'm walking, that might help. So we did the viewpoint, which was incredible. Now we're about to do the long tail boat, which should be fun. Birthday present for Jessie Doos.